Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the episode on SLP. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of SLP broke out a down channel on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price then got rejected by another very long-term resistance of $0.0021. By the way, from this though to here, it was overall almost 70%, very nice and massive pump. And now we are about to test this long-term support once again. That is here approximately at $0.0012. But before that, we have also found another short-term support as well. If I place another trend line here by the way, then you can see that here we had a bounce from this support, and recently the price index once again dropped down. We had another bounce here, and now it is once again dropped down at the support. In case of breaking it down, it can test this next long-term support that had been previously breaking as support here at $0.001216. And I would also like to show you another very huge breakout that has already happened here from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's the trade setup for red, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 19th of May 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price line has recently broken out this channel. And after the breakout, we had almost or more than or almost 70% pump, but the price line could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.0021 that had been recently working as a resistance for the past several weeks. And here it was working as support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously for several months, it had been working as support here from the month of November 2023 up till the month of October 2024. And here in the month of March 2025, we broke it down. And before that, it has been acting as a support here in the month of December 2022 as well. Therefore, this is a very long-term resistance that we need to break out in order to continue this rally to the outside. Right now, the price is testing this support. In fact, this can be a complete support band from $0.00136 to $0.00121. It has been previously acting as support down here, support down here, support down here, and right now we are again testing this support zone. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this region down channel is here at the top of the channel at $0.006. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance that was recently working as a resistance here. Before that, it was acting as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but still the price and could not hit the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 6 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.